with built-in frequency converter.
This machine adjusts the motor speed seamlessly, allowing power regulation from 3.7 kW to 5.5 kW and pressure from 8 bar to 10 bar. No matter the pressure 8 bar or 10 bar, this compressor maintains maximum airflow output, delivering peak efficiency across all the settings. For global compliance and safety, this machine is certified with CE and UL, thanks with ASME certificate. Equipped with an IE5 oil-cooled motor, no noise operation, high energy efficiency. Perfect for various industries, including automotive maintenance, medical healthcare, food processing.
With compact design, just plug in and start using.